will start with the face. Sketch the shape nice and simply, like the outline where the arms will be. Draw the outline of the shirt. Add his pants. Divide the pants in the middle and connect the lines. Draw his little shoes. Blippi wears a bow tie. Let's draw the bow tie. Finish the sleeves of the shirt. Draw the left arm. Now the right arm. Complete the shirt and add the suspenders that hold up his pants. Finish the shirt details. Now let's move to the face. Draw a cute smiling mouth. Sketch the glasses. Add the bridge in the middle, one side of the glasses and the other side. Finish the face and draw the ears. Now the head. Draw the base of the cap and the top part. Divide it in half because it has two colors. Final touch, the eyes. Draw them and color them. Great job! The outline of our Blippi is ready. Let's start coloring.